Ekenecha m Igbo niile biko na ebe nọ na-enene m udo dịrị nwoke udo dịrị nwaanyị biko na unu mana mụ ejere m ike eti ego ọnụ na saga mana achọ m ka m nwere ohere wee gwakwa Ken na okwu m gwara ya ọnwa na-abụ gara aga ka bụ ọnwa gara aga iche scroll down na channel na page ma ihe afụ ebe m gwa Ken okwu ebe ọkwa ebe first week of November or last week of October chiki yafia in between those two yaf ebe m gwara ya Ken Palace of Justice ọ gwa m ya ịchọla ịnụ ọgụ wepụ ọnụ gị n'ihe anyị na-emesi na ị na-eme vidiyo maka onwe vidiyo nwanne anyị nwoke ngechara nye ọsị na n'ike adịrụ n'ọgwụ ofu mbosi egbuo mmadụ na dị na-ekwete ihe a na-eme nwere isi maka na wherever there is original there is fake, wherever there is fake there is also original. Onye ọbụla na-alụ fake nwe ebe oyi eji onweta original o maka na ojegojefu original o we decide ya imitate that thing ofugolo anya ihe okwu ka nne okwu onwere onye si nọ na-alụ fake na onwere onye nna si nọ na-alụ original mana gee ntị Ken ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye maala ihe ị kwesịrị iwepụ ọnụ gị n'ihe gbasara ihe na-akọjọ ndị mmadụ ịbịa gụba mepe ọnụ ọfụ vidiyo gị nya esikwa na onwere onye ya egbunwu gị mana at the same time na-asịkwa na kedu love ahụ ndị Igbo nwere ebe ha nọ ha eji nwanne ha nwoke ya na nwanne ha nwoke nwee problem ọ bụrụ bawazi okwu igbu mmadụ mana ichefuza na mmadụ na-anọ ọlụ onwe ya ịchọli ya gaba ka play vidiyo ahụ ebe ikwulu okwu si na onwere onye egbunwu gị n'ihe na gị na obele ihe amụ na ya na mmadụ na nwanne nwoke nwe o wee bazie okwu ijewe mortuary je mewe nka mewe nta mewe imo. But this is a wake up call for you now, Ken Palace of Justice. Amara m ihe bụ your problem. But gịnị ma wepụ aka enwe n'ofe tupu gịnị ọghọ aka mmadụ. I've never supported you. I've not been mgbe mbụ your fan agago. I will also tell you that ihe na-eme na I too much blame Ogechi Njaka inye gị audience online. Maka na ọ bụ na Ogechi enyere gị audience, amara m onye bụ Ken Palace of Justice. I told you in my previous video about Agwa that you started well. No bu ni ji aka iji nika ibu very dark man enwe na Igbo anyị kita. Mana mba ọkụ ọchịchọ na ekwolo chọrọ ịba gị ime. Ọkụ ọchịchọ na ekwolo aba na gị ime. Ịkọ na Ebuka Obi ọnọdụrọ gị mma ịkọ akụ Zion, ịkọ J Park, ịkọ akwa na emecha na chiata tibala akwa mkpuko wee gonye gị moto maka efu na egonye J Park moto. At the end of the day amara m ihe bụzi iwe gị na ịgbazi break nke a ịnachi yakwa ebe Ebuka Obi nọ kọbakwa ya ọnụ emechi isiwa na-achọrọ arrest gị na-achọrọ ime gị nke na ị na-aka achị cruise mara ihe iji aka achị cruise ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile na-achọ ọchị online na-anụ nwa ọ bụrụ ihe ịkpọrọ egwuregwu ka onye ọzọ kpọrọ egwuregwu nwa onye ihe ebe egwusi ụdị egwu a kịta ote ike ya sịrị na-egwusago onye ọzọ egwu na ọsịwa gị na ọ aga mọchụarị ịtụgharịa kogelibe mala ihe na-emekarị ọka ọwara ntị agụ eje ya biko ihe a ka ime mgbe gị na gọvanọ eziokwu nwe problem ijeje ịkọchi niile ịkọ online which I still have the video nakwa ụdị mmadụ dịka Ken you cannot be trusted. I still have those videos till today. Then secondly iwesisia those videos bịa yo mgbaghalụ behind the scene ịbịa zụkwa bịa kwuo sị na nna mụ na onye esetụrụkwa na ya yọọ na mgbaghalụ. Ken kpachala anya gị kpachala gịnị anya gị mana but then nenene video ebe Ken na-ewejelu mampas man ọnụ ọzọkwa ihe ka ikulu dan ya biko ihe ka na-ewejekwa ọnụ ọzọ nenene this video ndị bai
mampas akpa amụ. I have listened to the voice note. Let me tell you, you will buy before me. Yes, you must definitely buy before me. Because if you claim that you have power, you would have used that power and secure Igbo Land. If you claim that you have power, you would have used that power against Mazina, the Canada that has been itself for how many years now? Look at what is happening in Anambra State that you are from. They are terrorizing Anambra State. You haven't used your power to stop it. You haven't used your power to give Igbo 24 hours electricity. But you have the power to buy someone. You didn't use that power to raise those that have died. Those that wey don kpai already, do you use that power to raise them? You can never kpai me. You will fight kpai before me, man, to those days. Maka gịnị? Asị ọchụwa ọkụkọ nwada, data gịnị? Data nwa ọkụkọ wee nwe ọsọ. Ị ga-anwụ before me, maka onye na-achọ m ga-ada. Yes, I have nothing. Me and you, I don't have anything against you. That's why you will fail. You or you ogu. If you don't want anyone to talk about your social media, we are one day pack your log and disappear from social media. Because of for the fact of social media, you're a public figure, you're in the public eyes. We, the bloggers, must use who and talk. If we didn't talk about the people hungry with bias, that agwu get well. The same way people are advertising your business, that's how we are doing our own to make money. So if you don't want anyone to talk about it, disappear from social media. Remember, apart from that, a lot of people now. Apart from what I'm talking about, for don't finish Igbo Land now. Do you know how many bloggers that have talked against Akwa? Where did they never talk about Akwa in this social media we are? Did that papa anyone? The answer is gonna no. That's what Akwa means to say. Akwa is a guy man. They will a local mugu. They will get all lulu about them. They will lulu. A village champion, a local village ball. How many times have you said Ezobi? Where did they never talk about Ezobi? Have Ezobi tried to buy anyone? The answer is no. Those are the kind men. Chimane type of what did they never take all these videos talk on social media? Did that buy anyone? The answer is not no. And it's because I want to talk about you. You want to say you are going to the matchare. You would have gone inside your arm. I am. Why do you use the same power you have at home that is making people rich and killing mad people and yara? Then why did you leave that on Ghost and went to what more try to concern with him? Oh, it's okay. We want to care that I'm not trying to one day. They got get out before me. Yeah, you go there before me. But again, I have never been in any place and I see it discuss in money. And again, I tell the message since I was born. Since to buy anybody. No, I have never thought of that, and I can never do that. So again, I got balls on that. Because of what your brother said on social media, you went to the extent of making a trying to buy the person. Can't you see how wicked and devilish you are? I will pray. I don't know the kind of family you come from. I pity them. That somebody get a man who get a one day your Igbo brother you want to buy the person. Where is your heart? Igbos are one. Igbo love themselves. Yeah, your brother have issue. You want to go and buy the person. So that if I either what you benefit? No, if I either you chop me now, I don't get that. But if I either you come and carry me, chop me, or what will you benefit? What will do I have anything? Do I have any property? What will you benefit if you buy me? Because I talk about your social media, they leave your Facebook and disappear. They leave your Facebook and disappear. Let me tell you, whatever you do when you're like Ishi or the boom go you say or the boom go yes, if you are thinking of buying me, you will first buy before me. Because I have nothing against I'm a guy with a pure heart. If you come close to me, you go not say I'm a guy with a pure heart. I don't mind. You go. I talk with Akwa. Ezobi. I talk with Ezobi. I talk with Miro. Chimane Temple. I talk with Chimane Temple. Onyeze Jesus. I talk with Onyeze Jesus. So the free heart I have, but that doesn't stop me from dragging them on social media. That doesn't stop me from dragging them. I talk to them. They like me. Like no be play. All these people I mentioned their name. They drag them too. But so because I talk about you, he said he will come close to me. You're gonna give me I mean, he said, I'm the same one. Let me tell you, it has been a long time I want to buy. So if you want to help me buy me, help me. You don't handle him. I go to Senegal. Yes, that it says yesterday I haven't eaten. 3 days now, I haven't eaten anything. I could come back also. And what am I doing in this life? That a gym negotiation. One cup of Friday night. I don't even have the way I'm living. I'm doing a touch. So take the life and go away. We go for one day.